Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're in the city of Alicante. Let's see walkway. You guys all know the vibe.
So you've got a beautiful fountain over there.
Yeah, very nice.
You've got a casino over there in the background. That's when we first came here, there was like some sort of festival going on, some fiesta, I think. Yeah, look at the buildings. Beautiful. And you've got the Spanish flag waving in the air.
Another nice fountain.
Beautiful fountain.
And then you got the little harbour bit here.
Check this out. Many faces on that. Many faces. So yeah. So you can see just a bit of Santa Barbara as well. So yeah, Alicante, beautiful, beautiful little city. Little, it's not little. That's the famous walkway there. Espionage, what it's called? Espionage.
Yeah, I remember our first little short was here, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That did really well as well, actually.
Yeah, we're going to take a walk down here, show you the Marina.
And then we'll do the famous walkway.
Yeah. On the next video.
Got all the lovely boats. And then, yeah, like you said, that massive casino there.
Check out my boy there, look at that.
How's that taxi, boat taxi? €5. Where that takes you then. Comment below if you know.
Yeah, check those views out. If you just look up it a little bit, it's absolutely stunning.
All the buildings are very nice.
So yeah, let's keep going. Let's go down there. You can see more of the boats.
Oh, it looks very green. We're speaking to a couple of ladies we met in Benidorm, and they're saying about cruises and how they're becoming a little bit more popular. So we'll put it to a vote. Do you think Walkway Tour should do a cruise?
I mean, they were saying us that basically because you do a cruise, you get many destinations. So, you know, but we're doing this now, and we've got many destinations, and it only costs about 100, 120 each for flights. Maybe less for Sabrina because she didn't need to come with me the first part. So I think it cost me about 120 altogether. I've got about four flights now.
Well.
That's including their flight home. So that's nothing, isn't it? And you're getting to do Spain, Costa del Sol, Valencia, Benidorm, Seville, Faro, and Albufeira in Portugal. Let us know in the comments if you've ever done anything like that. What you can do, cross over and go down the middle part. So let's keep going. So when we stayed last time, it's straight forward. That's where we were staying. Straight up there. We had a lovely what was it called? We're gonna go that way, Sabrina. But we had a what was it? Japanese ramen
Yeah, it was really, really nice.
Really nice. So yeah, check this out. It's the world famous Alicante. I don't know what it's called. This little walkway. We found this really, really good Greek restaurant in Benidorm yesterday. Had an amazing gyro, mixed meat gyro, really nice. Didn't film it, didn't do anything really, just ate.
Yeah, that stuff that looked like it was moving, didn't it? It was
That's sorry, I was talking about the food last night, the Greek food.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Marina was a little bit behind me.
Yeah, he walks fast. Yeah, the Greek food was amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, on the Japanese food it was like it's a bit of wood shaving or something, but it was not. It's like some sort of shaving up a mushroom or something, and it just moves with any bit of wind. It moves.
It was really nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Didn't we have something to eat there one time?
We had a coffee, beer, sorry. Check out that balcony up there.
Very nice.
Yeah.
There.
Carrefour, yeah. So yeah, the Dubliners. We had they actually do my favourite beer here.
Yeah.
It's
the pink one.
Yeah, what was it called again? What was it called? I first had it in France. I can't see it there. Let's keep going anyway, because we gotta get this video done. They've got Guinness on tap as well, so we'll find out how much a Guinness is in a minute. Have a Guinness. It's roasting here. You can see like that blue and white flag there waving. It's quite windy, but right here there's no wind at the moment. It's lovely. It's nice to get some sun. We haven't been away for about 4 months, so we've been.
Yeah, it's nice to feel that real sun again.
Yep. Hitchman's really close.
Really close. Down up there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Check that out, guys, up there. Look at that. What do you guys think of the new footage? Let us know in the comments. And at the moment I'm using a S25 Ultra, shooting in pure video mode, D-Log, with an ND filter. I was using Blackmagic app, but it's got a stabilization issue, so I've had to now just use the normal pure video mode on the camera.
The normal camera, you mean?
Yeah, the normal
Phone camera.
app. Yeah.
Yeah.
Check that pigeon on his head. Look. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Not very focused though, is it, guys? But yeah.
That one's quite cool as well. Very pretty.
I'm trying to get that to unlock. There we go. So yeah, absolutely stunning buildings here. It's always a pleasure coming to Alicante. Absolutely beautiful place. Checking came out with a pigeon on his head. Nice lion.
Little park.
Crepes.
Yeah.
Goofers. What that means. Lady dropped something. So yeah, check the statues out in there.
Oh, so they got little, whatever that is, like fairground up there.
Little fun fair for the kids.
Yeah. Little water feature.
Yeah, it'd be cool if it was on.
Massive tree there.
Yeah, look at these. Look at this. Look at that trunk.
Yeah, it's massive.
Look at the size of this. It's one of the oldest trees, this one. Disturb the people whilst they're looking. Yeah, let's show you these lions. We're in the video. Just gonna might take a walk up there and find some food or a drink. Go back to that Dubliner actually. So yeah. Really cool. That's what we do. End the video there. Thanks for watching, guys. It's Walkway Tour. Make sure you subscribe, like and share, hype up the videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.
See you in the next one.